The new console introduces a larger 7.9-inch LCD touchscreen, offering a resolution of 1080p with HDR support and a 120Hz refresh rate. This upgrade ensures a more vibrant and fluid visual experience, whether gaming on the go or docked at home. When connected to a TV, the console supports up to 4K resolution at 60 Hz, delivering crisp and detailed graphics. Wikipedia, +1. Laptop Mag, +1. Under the hood, the device is powered by a custom NVIDIA Tegra processor, codenamed Drake, featuring an octa-core ARM Cortex, a 78C CPU, and a 12-core Ampere GPU. This setup enables advanced graphical capabilities, including ray tracing and support for NVIDIA's deep learning supersampling, DLSS, technology. With 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD express cards, the console ensures smooth performance and ample space for games and media. Wikipedia, +1. Wikipedia, +1. Redesigned controllers for enhanced play. The redesigned controllers, known as Joy-Con 2, attach magnetically to the console, offering a more secure and intuitive connection. These controllers feature larger buttons and improved ergonomics, addressing previous concerns about comfort during extended gaming sessions. Additionally, the new C button introduces a game chat feature, allowing for seamless voice and video communication during gameplay. Polygon, +4. Wikipedia, +4. The shortcut Matt Swider Substack, +4. A notable innovation is the ability to use the Joy-Con 2 controllers as computer mice in supported games, providing an alternative input method that enhances versatility. The controllers also boast improved battery life, estimated to last up to 20 hours on a single charge. The Express Tribune, +2. Wikipedia, +2. Wikipedia Die Freie Enzyklopädie, +2. Backward compatibility and game library. One of the most anticipated features is the backward compatibility with the original console's game library. Both physical cartridges and digital titles from the previous generation will be supported, allowing players to enjoy their existing collections on the new system. However, certain games may require updates or adjustments to function optimally on the new hardware. The launch lineup includes a mix of first-party titles and third-party games, with notable inclusions such as a new installment in the Mario Kart series and a tech demo showcasing the console's capabilities. Additionally, select classic games from previous Nintendo consoles will be available, providing a nostalgic experience for longtime fans. Polygon, Enhanced Docking Station. The upgraded docking station offers several improvements over its predecessor. It supports 4K resolution at 60 Hz, ensuring high-quality visuals when playing on a TV. The dock also features enhanced cooling mechanisms and faster data transfer rates, contributing to overall system stability and performance. Additionally, the inclusion of wireless screencasting capabilities allows for a more flexible gaming setup, enabling players to stream their gameplay to compatible devices without the need for physical connections. Pricing and availability. The console will be available in 2 editions. A standard model priced at $449.99 and a special bundle featuring the new Mario Kart game for $499.99. Pre-orders have been met with overwhelming demand, leading to limited availability. Nintendo has issued a warning to prospective buyers about potential delays in order fulfillment ahead of the launch. To improve chances of securing a unit, potential buyers are encouraged to create retailer accounts, sign up for notifications, and monitor official retailer restocks closely. Tips include staying signed into retailer accounts and enabling notifications.